In this video, we will explore 404 errors, also known as HTTP not found errors, and discuss understanding and handling broken links. A 404 error occurs when a user tries to access a web page that cannot be found on the server. This is one of the most common HTTP error responses. When you encounter a 404 error, it means that the requested resource is not available on the server. The URL might be mistyped or outdated, or the content may have been moved or deleted. Here is an example of HTTP 404 response. HTTP version 1.1, 404 not found. Date Thursday, February 27, 2025, 12:00:00 GMT. Server: Apache version 2.4.41. Content type: text or HTML. Content length: 1234. Response body: status 404, message, resource not found. Let's discuss the common reasons behind 404 errors. Broken links. These are internal or external links that point to pages that no longer exist or have been moved without setting up proper redirects. Deleted content. This includes resources that have been removed from the server, but are still being referenced by other pages or bookmarks. URL typos. This refers to incorrectly typed URLs in links or the address bar, including case sensitivity issues in some server configurations. Server misconfiguration. This involves incorrect server settings, file permissions, or problems with URL rewriting rules in the web server configuration. Here are some best practices for handling 404 errors on the server side. Create a dedicated error handling middleware. Return appropriate HTTP status codes. Provide clear error messages in responses. Log error occurrences for monitoring. Implement proper fallback routes. Consider implementing redirects for common paths. This is an example using express.js. Const express equals require express. Const app equals express function. Regular routes here. app.get/request response arrow function. Response.send homepage. 404 handler middleware. app.use request response next arrow function. Response.status 404.json. Status error. Message: resource not found. Implementing robust client-side error handling improves user experience and helps maintain application stability when encountering 404 errors. Some of the implementation notes includes: use try-catch blocks around fetch requests. Implement error boundaries in React applications. Display user-friendly error messages. Provide navigation options to recover. Consider retry mechanisms for transient failures. Here is the example using React. Async function fetch data. Try const response equals await fetch URL. If response.status equals 404, throw new error, resource not found. Const data equals await response.json. Return data. Catch error, handle error, show error UI. This flow diagram illustrates how 404 errors are handled from the initial request through to resolution, showing both server-side and client-side handling paths and various recovery options provided to users. The diagram is as follows. User request to HTTP request to resource exists? If no, 404 error triggered. If yes, return resource. 404 error triggered to server-side error handler or client-side error boundary. Server-side to custom response to custom, 404 page or API response to JSON error response. Client-side to React View Angular to Era component. Custom, 404 page to user recovery options or JSON error response to client error handling or error. A component to user recovery options. User recovery options to navigation to homepage, search to search results, contact to support. When designing a custom 404 page, focus on making it user-friendly and helpful. Keep it friendly by using a conversational tone and avoiding technical jargon to make users feel at ease. Ensure clear navigation by providing obvious navigation options like a homepage link, search box, and sitemap. Maintain brand consistency by keeping your brand's visual style and tone while keeping the page simple and focused. Here is an example of what the custom 404 page would look like. Here are some best practices for preventing 404 errors. Regular monitoring. Implement automated link checking and monitor server logs to identify and fix broken links proactively. URL management. Use proper URL structures and implement 301 redirects when moving or renaming pages. Content strategy. Plan content architecture carefully and maintain a consistent URL naming convention. Remember, a proactive approach to preventing 404 errors is more effective than reactive handling. Regular maintenance and monitoring are key to maintaining a healthy website. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.